Crypto Daybook Americas, Bitcoin buoyed by Trump, but analysts sigh $92,000 risk. Your day ahead look for June 20, 2025. You are viewing Crypto Daybook Americas, your morning briefing on what happened in the crypto markets overnight and what's expected during the coming day. Crypto Daybook Americas will arrive in your inbox at 7 a.m. Eastern Time to kickstart your morning with comprehensive insights. If you're not already subscribed, click here. You won't want to start your day without it. By Francisco Rodrigues, all times ET unless indicated otherwise. Risk assets, cryptocurrencies among them, breathed a sigh of relief after President Donald Trump ruled out an immediate entry into the Israel-Iran war, saying he may wait 2 more weeks before deciding whether to add U.S. firepower to the conflict. Bitcoin, BTC, is hovering around $106,000, up 0.9% in the past day, and the broader CoinDesk 20 index has gained 0.77%. In traditional markets, oil prices slipped 1.7% after a 3-week rally and European stock indexes rose. U.S. equity futures are slightly higher than they were this time Thursday. Trump's comment reduced the odds of U.S. military action before the end of the month on prediction market Polymarket from around 70% to 40%. If the timeline is expanded to next month, the odds are now sitting at 62%, down from 90% on June 17. While the immediate prospect of a U.S. intervention in Iran may have diminished, the fact this is reportedly a 2-week hiatus means it will remain a live issue for the markets going into next week. AJ Bell investment analyst Dan Coatsworth told Yahoo Finance. Despite the crypto market's relative stability, analysts see diverging risks. Glassnode, a blockchain analytics company, said subdued on-chain activity could reflect a more mature market dominated by institutions making large, infrequent transactions. A new report from CryptoQuant, on the other hand, warns Bitcoin could drop to $92,000 or lower if demand fails to rebound. ETF flows are down 60% since April. Whale buying has slowed by half, and short-term holders have dumped 800,000 BTC since late May. Stay alert. The CoinDesk Policy and Regulation Conference, formerly known as State of Crypto, is a one-day boutique event held in Washington on September 10 that allows general counsels, compliance officers, and regulatory executives to meet with public officials responsible for crypto legislation and regulatory oversight. U.S. markets were closed on Thursday due to Juneteenth federal holiday. Galaxy Digital Holdings (GLXY) closed on Thursday at $26.65, plus 2.03%. Strategy MSTR closed on Wednesday at $369.03, minus 1.64%, plus 1.1% at $373.10 in pre-market. Coinbase Global Coin closed at $295.29, plus 16.32%, plus 1.03% at $298.34. Circle CRCL closed at $199.59, plus 33.82%, plus 10.53% at $220.60. Mara Holdings Mara closed at $14.49, minus 1.23%, plus 1.73% at $14.74. Riot Platforms Riot closed at $9.94, plus 2.9%, plus 1.51% at $10.09. Core Scientific CRZ closed at $11.90, plus 0.08%, plus 0.42% at $11.95. CleanSpark CLSK closed at $9.18, plus 3.15%, plus 1.42% at $9.31. CoinShares Valkyrie Bitcoin Miners ETF WGMI closed at $18.70, plus 0.11%. Semler Scientific SMLR closed at $31.94, plus 11.95%, plus 8.39% at $34.62. Exodus Movement EXODE closed at $30.14, plus 0.43%, plus 3.65% at $31.24. Spot BTC ETFs. Spot ETH ETFs. Source: Farside Investors. Francisco is a reporter for CoinDesk with a passion for cryptocurrencies and personal finance. Before joining CoinDesk, he worked at major financial and crypto publications. He owns Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, and PXG above CoinDesk's $1,000 disclosure threshold. Shoria is the co-leader of the CoinDesk tokens and data team in Asia with a focus on crypto derivatives, DeFi, market microstructure, and protocol analysis. Shoria holds over $1,000 in BTC, ETH, SOL, AVAX, Sushi, CRV, NEAR, Wi-Fi, SHB, Doge, USDT, USDC, BNB, Mana, MLN, Link, XMAR, ALGO, VT, Cake, AVE, Comp, RIC, TRX, SNX, Rune, FDM, ZL, KSM, ENJ, CKB, Joe, GCHSD, Perp, Beat or Fel Y, Ochem, Banana, Rome, Burger, Spirit, and ORCA. He provides over $1,000 to liquidity pools on Compound, Curve, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, BurgerSwap, Orca, AnySwap, SpiritSwap, Rook Protocol, Yearn Finance, Synthetics, Harvest, Redacted Cartel, OlympusDAO, Rome, Trader Joe, and Sun. Oliver Knight is the co-leader of CoinDesk Data Tokens and Data Team. Before joining CoinDesk in 2022, Oliver spent 3 years as the chief reporter at CoinRivet. He first started investing in Bitcoin in 2013 and spent a period of his career working at a market-making firm in the UK. He does not currently have any crypto holdings.